Hey guys, today I learned about simple interest, so I'm going to tell you all about it. And even if I forget any of them, I do have a presentation to back me up. And I did write all of them just to make sure I don't forget it. And I did write down some unnecessary stuff which is not required for now. So, simple interest. I'm going to tell you first the difference between loans, loans and the interest that the bank gives you. So there's a difference between loans and interest. So loans is when you wanna take some money from someone, and then they will charge you some interest. That's one. And the next one would be when you're putting money into the bank, mostly fixed deposit, and from there you can either the bank gives you interest. So those are the two main differences, and so that's what you have to remember before learning about simple interest. And I will be using variables. If you don't know what variables are, that's what we use to substitute something. For example, I can use a instead of 100, usually small case letters. And so the variables I'm going to be using today are P for principal, which is the money you invest. So the money, like in loan there's the money, the main money, and then in bank also when you add an interest, there's also money you add into the bank. So that's principal. Then I'm going to be using N, which is the time period. So like the amount of interest or interest I'm going to be getting. So like 20 years, which means 20 time periods, because it's going to be annual, so per year, and that's going to be according to the year, 20 or 1. So after that, the next one would be the formula for simple interest. The formula for simple interest is very easy. Simple interest equals to P times N times R. P is the principal, of course you know that. N is the time period, and R is the interest rate. So interest rate is like 12%, 13%. If you want to make it easier, you can also add like percentage amount, 13 divided by 100, and then when you multiply it, you will get your answer. That's how much interest will be there. And the total amount of money is principal plus simple interest. So let's say, for example, the simple interest was 270 and the principal was 100, then we can get like 370. I didn't do any calculations on this, so this might be wrong, but still, just an example. And after that, that's basically what you need to know for simple interest. And simple interest is usually used on fixed deposit, which means you set a amount of money into the bank for a specific amount of time, like for 20 years, and they will charge interest per year or per month. I don't really know, but that's what they charge. And in loans, they will ask you to pay back the amount with an interest, so maybe 10% interest, and that's how you have to repay it. That's all for this video, and hope you like it. Bye.